Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to send money from India to GCash. So we are going to use this Wise website. So here, sign up on Wise and of course, complete your identity verification. It is free and quick. So you'll be able to see here the click send money and then you can choose Indian rupees to Philippine. And then you can enter the amount you want to send. So of course, guys, you need to verify your phone number here. So very important part. And then here, choose GCash, guys, as a mobile wallet. Then you can enter the receiver's name and then the mobile number exactly as registered on the GCash. So you can pay using your Indian bank account, debit card. The Wise shows your real-time fees and exchange rates. And the money usually arrives in minutes on GCash. And that's it. Like and follow for more cross-border money tips. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!